Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to download Amazon product video. So if you also want to download Amazon product video, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So while shopping on Amazon, you might be able to see the product video. You might want to download the video. It is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is open Amazon in Google Chrome. Simply launch open Google Chrome. After that, simply click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. After that, you can see over here, Amazon will be open. Simply open the product video that you want to download. You can see over here, I've already opened it. If I click on it, you can see over here, it will be played. So there's no option for downloading the video right over here. So we'll use a small technique to do that. For that, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for extensions. Once you find it, simply hover over it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here: manage extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. Simply click on the second option, visit Chrome Web Store. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the Chrome Web Store interface. From here, you'll be able to search for extensions and themes. Simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Video Downloader Professional. Now here you'll be able to find the option for Video Downloader Professional. All you have to do is click on it. Now what you have to do is add this extension to Chrome. Here I've already added it. If you haven't added it, here you'll be able to find the option for add to Chrome. All you have to do is click on it. After that, that extension will be added to Chrome. Now head back to the Amazon tab. Now what you have to do is click on the Video Downloader Professional extension icon that we've just downloaded. Now you can see over here, it will automatically show the video list. Some of the videos will be forbidden, but some of the videos will be ready to be downloaded. You'll be able to see the video list over here. Simply select the video you want to download. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for download. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, this kind of windows will be opened. Now select the location and click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now the video will be downloaded. You can see over here, the video has been downloaded. Simply click on the open option that you can see on the screen. After that, you can see over here, downloaded video will be played. Like this, you'll be able to download the Amazon product video. So that is how you download Amazon product video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.